Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us again on this platform. So today, if you are coming across our video for the very first time, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and also don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to this channel because this is where you get the latest video of all the happenings around the Igbo land and has to do with Igbos in general. So today we are diving on the small details concerning the trending song of our sister Chinyere Udoma. So there's a saying that says that what the devil meant for evil, that God has turned it around for your good. So today we're going to be sharing a little brief biography of sister Chinyere Udoma that many of you don't really know about, and one of the shocking things about her that many people do not get to know. So before we dive into that topic that we have today, let us also hear a little bit about her. So sister Chinyere Udoma, many people will know her as Big Mama, many people call her as Big Auntie or Big Sis, depending on how you get to know her. Most of her fans are likable because of her likable nature. Many people say she can stand on one place and move mountains, just like the way her songs always move people. I know a lot of you might get to know more about Chinyere Udoma as of last year when she released a popular song, Obata Obioku. Obata Obioku went on to trend as the third biggest song in Nigeria, gospel song in Nigeria in 2025 with over 7,500 million views on Apple Music alone and odd minus every other platform. Now let us also dive into the hidden part that many people do not get to know. Sister Chinyere Udoma was actually born in the late 1970s. So by me looking at her, many people would think that she's between their age because she's everyday young. She was born as far back as 1976 in the city of Ibadan. So she has a Yoruba heritage and she's from Enugu State. That is one of the shocking things that many people do not get to know about her. She studied mass communication at the University of Nigeria, UNN. So seeing the old video that you are seeing on my screen, her breakout song, her first single was released in the year 1999. I know many of us that are watching this video today may not really know that her first track was released in 1999. Her breakthrough music was on the song Wind of Change. That was her breakout music. Wind of Change begins to change a lot of things about her. So when they say that you should have to confess with your mouth and believe it, that is what happened to sister Chinyere Udoma. Wind of Change became a breakout through album for her. A breakout through album for her. Many people call it Wind of Glory and others call it Wind of Change, depending on the way you want it to be for you. So now let us dive into this latest song of Ihe Di Gi Mma. When this song came out 12 days ago, it begins to generate a lot of online reactions from people, including priests. A priest went on his platform to start criticizing the song. Me alone, when I saw the song about a few days ago, the song was already on hundreds of thousands. But as of the time of making this video, the song is gradually climbing to the charts. So at the time of making this video, the song was on 322,000 views. The video is on 322,000 views on YouTube. That is for the video alone. I would not pay attention to the audio to verify because we are paying much attention to the visual. Just like Obata Obioku trended throughout the half of 2025 and it gave her a lot of recognition. Many people saw Obata Obioku as her comeback song of the year after many absence from the mind of people and many absence from the musical scene. But she has been performing and she has been ministering to the people of God in many churches. She has ministered in front of millions and thousands, including the popular end of the month crusade held by Dunamis. She always ministered there in front of over 120,000 capacity per night. So when you begin to talk about Chinyere Udoma, she is a force to be reckoned with in this gospel system. Now, this song, Ihe Di Gi Mma, started generating negative reactions from the people that are supposed to welcome her. That was why I said from the beginning, what the devil meant for evil, that God has turned it around for her good. Now let me give you people a breakdown of what this song is trending across all platforms. As you can see on your screen, this song is rated out of 5 star. The song is rated 4 star. So the song is rated 4/5 among all platforms. Now let us check in overall rating from all platforms, including globally. So this page I am on, the way to consider songs, it says this considers both local and international platforms, including trending ranks, discovery metrics, online streaming platform availability, and audience engagement. The song is trending strongly locally, very well in Nigeria, moderate internationally, gaining attraction outside Nigeria, especially in UK on YouTube via streaming platform. A high engagement people are talking about it, which boosts its visibility of recent. So many people have started talking about the song. That is why I said, when God wants to change your story, one little thing can automatically change your story. Nobody saw this coming. I know within her, maybe when God could have told her, my dear sister, release this song, she might have doubted it. So God decided to use the foolish things of this world to also to expose the wise. Now, let us now check into the chart of what this song is doing in all platforms. Now, as you can see on your screen, rating across platform, YouTube trending is 4/5. Shazam discovery is 4/5. Spotify presence is 3/5. Apple Music release is 4/5. Social media engagement is 4/5. And overall international buzz, based on overall international trending, people outside Nigeria that are talking about it in our platform, is still over 4.5. So the song is gradually and it's hitting very, very well. Now here is the shocker of all. Ihe Di Gi Mma officially is social music video is now officially trending on YouTube. It is officially trending on YouTube. It's on the 13th music trending on YouTube in Nigeria. So including the life of Davido, the life of Flavor, the lives of Fino, the lives of Burna Boy, and other platforms in Nigeria on YouTube, that song is standing at number 13 in a space of 12 days. In a space of 12 days, is standing number 13 in Nigeria, and it is now standing at number 28 around the world, including United Kingdom, based on their music category. As you can see, this song is massively hitting real hard. So when you want to know more about Sister Chinyere Udoma, go on your music platform and search for Wind of Glory. You should start from there. Maybe when after listening to it, you will now get to understand how spirit-filled the lady is. Like I said, listen to this song, Ihe Di Gi Mma, once again, in your night time, in your morning time. And somebody said, the song is to you what you want it to be. That is what this song is all about. So as you have finished watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to also play Ihe Di Gi Mma, because you will love it. See you guys next time.